Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp new update 2026. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, click on WhatsApp apps. Look, this is a problem, so let's solve this problem. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Scroll down, now search for WhatsApp apps. Now tap on WhatsApp apps and tap on storage. Now clear cache and clear data. Now tap on permission and all permission. Now tap on force stop. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your WhatsApp apps. Search icon, now search for WhatsApp apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and restart your device. Then go to your WhatsApp. I hope your problem is solved. Thank you.